In this video, you will learn how to resize image in Paint on Windows 11. First, find the image you want to resize. Right-click the image, select Open With, and choose Paint. If you don't see Paint there, simply click Start, search for Paint, and open the Paint app. Then select File, choose Open, and select your picture. Once your image is open in Paint, look at the toolbar near the top and click Resize and Skew. You can also press Ctrl and W together to open the same window. Now you'll see the Resize and Skew window. If you want to resize the image using exact dimensions, select Pixels. You'll see horizontal and vertical fields. Horizontal controls the width of the image, while vertical controls the height. Before changing these numbers, make sure Maintain Aspect Ratio is enabled if that option is available, because this helps keep your photo from looking stretched or squeezed. For example, if you want to make a large photo smaller, enter a smaller number in the horizontal field, and Paint can automatically adjust the vertical value to keep the same proportions. If you specifically need an exact width and height, you can adjust both values, but be careful because changing them independently can distort the picture. Once you're happy with the size, click OK, and Paint will resize the image. If you also need to remove unwanted parts around the edges, use the Crop tool before or after resizing. Select the Crop option, then drag the crop handles around the part of the picture you want to keep and click the checkmark or crop option to apply it. You can also use Paint to rotate or flip an image if you need to correct its orientation. After making your changes, don't accidentally overwrite your original photo if you want to keep it. Instead, click File, choose Save As, select the folder where you want to save the new image, enter a different file name, and click Save. This creates a separate copy while keeping your original image safe. That's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe.